Do you have a big box of Lego just like this and you don't know where to start? You know that the kids, maybe it's your Lego or maybe it's your kids' Lego or both mixed up, and it just kind of ends up like this. It's like a Mumbai mix, and what happens is that it never gets used. So this has been in the garage for over a year because it's just overwhelming. My wife just mocked me for saying that Lego is overwhelming, but it is. Because the kids don't know where to start with it. I don't know where to start with it, and every attempt we've made to sort this or get it into some kind of way where it can be used again has eluded us until now. This is the channel where we try new things to make your family happy, and the thing that I'm making my family happy today is to make the Lego usable again. And have a look at this. I think I might have found a way to do it. The problem, I think, is that if you're looking for something, there's no way that you can just rifle through. Well, you can, but it's such an unpleasant experience. There must be like some kind of basic sorting that we can do that's easy and to make us feel like we're making headway with it, and also to do it in a way that isn't so finicky that we're just going to stop after 10 minutes. And I think I might have cracked it, or at least made a start with it. So what you will need for this method, and obviously your Lego is going to be completely different from ours, but hopefully this system will help you to find the general groups so you can at least start separating some of your Lego and actually get started with playing with it again. So the system is this. I bought some IKEA freezer bags. I know this is all great for the environment, isn't it? But anyway, I'm trying to make it less horrendous than it is. So we've got these IKEA bags. I got the big ones, the huge ones, and I got some tape that you can write on. So it's like paper tape, and it's sort of like parcel tape. And I've got a Sharpie, and I've got a 20 kilogram box of Lego. I actually weighed myself on the scales, which is always a fun experience, but I know for a fact that this came up at 20 kilograms. So we're just gonna start on the main box and start weeding it down. And I want to pull out 20 kilograms of Lego. I've just seen this. I'm an ADHD dad, by the way, so this is overwhelming. My wife is right to mock me for it, but my brain just explodes at the thought of even starting on this or getting it in a way that the kids can use. I'm already spotting stuff that we can use. This, by the way, this is from the Galaxy Starship, the classic 1979 Galaxy Starship, which is in pieces in here somehow, and I know it's worth a lot of money. And there's also a bit of sentimental value in there as well. So I know that these pieces were so precious back when Galaxy Explorer came out. If I can at least harvest some of these, I might be able to sell them on eBay or do something with them that honours the stuff. If it doesn't bring us joy, then we can let go of it. But at least let's pull out the stuff that could be used again. So the system is this. Come over here. I've got the bags and I've labelled them, and the labels tally with just a very basic breakdown of ways to sort the Lego. So this is just a big sort, and I suppose we could get more finicky once this first sort has been done, but at least you've got a fighting chance of finding something or using something or selling something online, which would be good. So this is my system so far. Tell me in the comments how you would change this, but what I've got at the moment are the 1, 2, 3 bricks, which actually are sticks, aren't they? I should call them sticks, but anyway, the 1, 2s and 3s, and I've even got the L-shaped 3s there. And then we have sticks, so I mean that's pretty obvious, isn't it? The 1 by however long they are. Then we've got bricks, the classic brick. I was thinking this would be the biggest bag, but looking at the potpourri, the Bombay mix of Lego that we've got, I'm not sure that there are that many bricks in there. Although I've got a funny feeling we might have filtered them out on a previous attempt at this. And then we've got slopes, so these strange ones, and I've got loads of these from the 1970s. Then we have the 1, 2, 3 plates, so like the 1, 2, 3 bricks, they're just the small flat pieces. Then I've got stick plates. And I don't know if I'm using the right terms. Again, if you'd use different terms, let me know in the comments. But this is just something that I can remember as I go along. I'm trying to get the family to join in with this. And then we've got the 2x plates. So just plates that are those kind of, not sticks, but they're plates. Then we've got plates as well, you know, because I can see some there. That'll be a bag. Then I have tiles, and I put a selection of different kinds of tile on here, and I've put examples on just as a visual aid to help the sorting if I can get my family involved. But you know, the tiles are just anything with a bit of shiny flat on it. Then the next row, I've not put examples here, we've got 1970s Lego. Now this is actually quite a big part of the box, but look at this vile stuff in here. I'm assuming, again, tell me in the comments if you think I'm wrong, but I'm assuming that there might actually be a need for these. Someone might actually be trying to assemble 1970s sets. So, you know, these windows, there's a grabber there, some old wheels. So that's the 19, oh, this is really macabre, let me find it. Yeah, this. This is what we had before minifigs. I'm going to put that as my example, I think, for the 1970s Lego. And then there's another really good catch-all, which is weird stuff. And I was going to put a weird brick there, but the bricks were too weird. They're too big to actually stick on my baseboard, my sorting baseboard. But here's the weird stuff bag. And look at this, right? So this is so I'm already mixing up what I've sorted. But I want you to see this system, see if it works. The weird stuff are things that are so super specific to sets that are just, you know, they're not generic. They're really, there's the weird stuff. So that's from some kind of helicopter. I think that's a cockpit there and a helicopter blade. I'm hoping with the weird stuff, there might be some way of identifying, so I'm gonna move that to sticks. I was hoping that there'd be some way of selling this kind of stuff, identifying it and selling it, because someone somewhere might actually want this weird stuff. So that's a good catch-all. In fact, I'll use this as an example of weird stuff. Well, that's not that weird, is it? It's just a, what would you call that? It's a plate, but I'll call that weird stuff. Let's put it there. Next on the list, I wasn't expecting this, but we've got so many arches, all sizes, shapes, and we've also got half arches as well. So I'm gonna have an arches bag just to see how that goes. And then there's another strange catch-all. I really wanna pull out the computer screens. This has got a really dodgy sticker on it. But anything that's like a display screen or a steering wheel or chairs, I want seats. I'll probably need those for my Lego City train layout, which I'll talk about in a moment. Oh, well, let's talk about it now. Train stuff. These are bits that I think could help my Lego City train layout that I have up in the Happy Hut. I've got a whole playlist of videos all about the hidden Lego City railroad layout that I'm building, and it runs all behind the chairs and around the floor of the hut. I've also built a Lego, like I haven't got enough Lego, but I've built a Lego City compatible London Underground tube station, and it's looking absolutely magnificent. I wanted to pull out any Lego that could help build platforms or other carriages or trains. I'm trying to motorize my Lego City tram or streetcar, and that's what started all of this sorting, because I just didn't know where to start with just finding a few pieces to get that to work. Come back to the sorting. I'm the sorting hat, Lego sorting hat. Now this has got a really tiny space on the sorting board, but it's probably really huge, and that's anything that's Technics. Now if you're into Technics, you'd probably want to sort these further, but I just want anything, it's quite a loose term, but anything coggy or has holes in it, you know, it looks a bit Technics, that's going to go into a bag. Then another big sort is going to be the minifigs. I'm sure we've pre-sorted the minifigs into other bags from a previous go, but I'll see if there are any other minifigs in there, because they'll be good to have on the train layouts. Wheels, anything that's wheels or something that holds wheels, you know, like these rims, what do you call them? Wheel arches, stuff like this. That's going to have its own category. And then I've got clutches, so anything that can grip or click I've given it this catch-all term of clutches. Now I've only just started doing this, and I'm sure there'll be sub sorting to do, but I think this might be the way to go. And then while we're sorting, the way it seems to have been working is this. If I grab a handful of Lego and put it here, I can then very easily just put it on the right row. So that's a stick, so that goes on the sticks row. Those are 2x plates, so they go there because that's what we need. That's a wheel arch thing, isn't it? So that goes on wheels, put that there. And it's just, I don't know, is that weird stuff or is it a plate? So I'll put it on weird stuff for now because I can sort those later. Slope, that's a slope, that can go there. That's a tile. So it's a lot more easy just to do a big sort and feel like I'm getting somewhere. That's weird stuff, that goes there. And a 1x2, that can go there. So what do you think? Is this a way to go? Because now I can at least sort those into the bags. So if I grab a bag of bricks, where's my bricks bag? There, I've labelled it with the tape. Now I can just grab all the bricks and put those into the bricks bag. And the same with the sticks, and you can just get those into bags and then see if I can reduce this 20 kilogram box by 1 kilogram. Let me know if anything in here helps you. And thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going. And right here is what YouTube knows you are going to love watching next. Oh God, I don't know where to start.